G'day guys, Jason Ninja back for another workout. Today we're doing upper body because I've injured my knee. I've joined the knee injury club here at MMT, hurting my right knee a couple of weeks ago at footy, so just strained a couple of the ligaments. So yeah, we can't do the lower body, so we're going to smash our upper body today.
Yep.
So we've got a contrast upper body training session. So this is great for building strength and power. So you're combining a strength exercise into an explosive exercise. So we're going to do a bench press with an explosive push-up onto some weight plates. And then we're going to do a pull version. We're going to do explosive pull-ups into underhand throws. All right? Do you want to start, Ninja, or do you want me to start?
Oh, I can start if you want.
Oh, I'll go for it. We should have talked that bit out. But, you never know when we're into a video. So, all right. So then what?
Got a spot, even though it's light for him. So
Control. We can either really explode on the way up.
boom.
So only short reps, so 3 to 5 reps, so you don't want to cook yourself too much. So then you're actually able to go straight into the explosive movement. So you're going to do 3 of these. So explode down, land up. 1, 2, 3. All right.
That's it.
So yeah, the idea is build the strength with the weighted exercise, and then you're able to convert that into more power. So explode up in. That's it. Push. 3.
How many are you doing?
5. 4.
You got it.
5. Good, man. That's it. And then explosive push-up. So push up from the ground. That's it. Yes.
Yes.
One more. Up. Good. Yes. That's it.
All right.
So yeah, these workouts aren't about sort of really growing big and doing lots of weight and lots of volume. It's about more sets and lower reps. So that way you're going to generate that strength with the weighted exercise, the bench press, and then you're able to convert that into more power. And same thing with the plyo push-up. You don't really doing heaps of reps because you actually stop being more explosive, more powerful, and start just working into fatigue, which is not the aim of this sort of exercise. All right?
Go again.
So yeah, we might go up in a bit of weight. What do you reckon?
A little bit more, yep.
Go up to 70. Test ourselves out. The important thing is to also have a bit of rest in between these exercises so that you are maximising your strength and your explosiveness. Again, if you're not having enough rest in between, you're starting to work into fatigue and you're not sort of getting the general idea of the workout. So I'll have a quick breather. Just fill a bit of airspace then in. What do you reckon?
No, you're right.
Straight into it?
Yeah,
All right, we'll
good.
get into it. Ninja's keen to get big.
Yeah, you're fine.
We're in the off-season
I want to
now.
look like Jace.
Well, this is the workout we need, Ninja.
Look
All
at
right,
buddy.
let's see if we can explode up here.
Good man. One more.
All right, come on.
Come on, man.
Let's explode. Get some height under these push-ups. What do you reckon?
That's it.
Oh, that's hard. Oh,
Bit harder when you're pre-fatigued, isn't it?
bit harder, yeah.
The 70 kilos, not pounds.
70 kilos. What's that in pounds? Don't inch. 3 or 5, whatever you want. 2, 3, 4. Come on, man. Strong. Yes. Good. Get some height in these push-ups. Get the arms up. Extend. Good. Good, man. Yes. Look at him go. 52. Still smashing it.
Young bloke.
Good. One more set. Give ourselves another minute or so just to recover. That one was a bit heavier.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. Look at the bloody muscles on this bloke.
He's
Impressive. He's
pumping
impressive
his tyres
unit.
up.
Impressive unit.
Oh.
I'd like to look like him. If I keep on doing this, will I look like you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's the idea of it, Ninja.
All right.
Be like you back in the day when you used to do the big man challenge
Yeah.
all the time.
Yep.
The big man mountain back then, right?
Big man challenge is 50 pull-ups. You can't go on to the next one until you do your 50. Even if you do 50 singles, 100 push-ups and then 200 dips.
Other way around.
100
dips,
100
200
dips.
push-ups.
Yep, 200 push-ups.
Yeah, very
try it out.
challenging. Yeah, obviously you're going to have breaks in between doing your 50 reps and your 100 reps, but yeah, you can't go on to the next exercise until you finish.
Yeah, try and get that
Previous
done in
one,
under
so.
half hour. You're doing all
I
right.
don't think I've ever done it in that. Oh,
Half
struggle.
hour. Under half
Pretty
an hour
hard.
is good. Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
Last set. All right. Let's see how we go. Let's set up. Come on.
Come on, man.
Oh, a bit wonky. There we go.
Wonky donkey.
All right. Get some air.
Come on, man.
Oh. Fatigue's kicking in. They're getting less explosive. Come on in. 3 or 5. Go for what you got. Go. 3. 4. 5.
Loving it.
3 in. Come on. 2. 1 more. 3. Good. Oh, all right. So there's the chest pump. Next, we're moving on to the pull-up version. Give us a little break. We'll come back and see you soon. Pull version. So we've got pull-ups with a underhand throw. All right, so we're going to do the pull-ups first. So we're going to really try and explode and get our chest to the bar. So get up. 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to try and really yeet this ball through the roof. To get here and throw it.
25 kilo ball.
There we go. Got to get the hands under it.
Good, Jace.
1 more. We'll do 4. Oh. Oh, Ninja. Let's get the superstar in action. Oh, yes. Yeah. Good, Ninja. Get up there.
Can I use a middle?
1 more. Or 2 more. Yes. Up. Good, bro. 4 throws.
4.
Yep. Up. Good. Really use the back. Good. Strong lats. And up. Good. Got our main man Geordie here setting up for a bit of a wrestle fight comp here. Just lurking in the corner. We won't talk bad mouth him though, we'll deck the shit out of us. Oh,
It's good stuff.
that's good stuff.
Yeah.
That'll get you. But yeah, the key with this is you need to have built a level of strength before you can do the plyo. So I should have started that at the start of the video, but yeah, build your strength first, so then you are able to be more explosive. If you don't have the ground floor of strength, then you're not going to be able to be explosive. So you might have to just grind away at building your strength first before you can do this. All right, and then you can start to combine the exercises. So yeah, make sure you do your strength work, get that in, and then once you're ready to explode and become more athletic and more powerful, add this stuff in.
Yeah. Go at the level you're at.
That's it, yeah. Build up.
Yeah. Honour that.
That's it, yeah, you can't skip the levels. Got to do the groundwork first and then build yourself up. Well, let's get the second round in. Let's go. That's
mate.
enough talking. Here we go. Get this ball.
1 more, man.
1 more. Come on.
Good, brah.
Good. Get up, Ninja. Come on. Up. Good. Get up. Pull. Good. Big lats. Come on, Ninja. Get him on. Yes. This is his exercise, I reckon. He loves the throws. Get him in as a boundary umpire. Good. 1 more. Hit the roof, Ninja. Come on. Hit it. Yes.
Looks like piss, doesn't it? 25 kilos throwing that is hard.
Yeah, it's humbling, this exercise. You guys might be looking at it going, geez, that doesn't look too bad, but yeah, add some weight there, it gets harder.
Yeah. I think in the strongman they do, like I think it's 4 meters, they've got to get something like 26 kilos to 4 meters high. So, yeah. Is
that one of those bag things?
Yeah,
or?
the bag,
Yeah.
with the bag, yeah.
That's
We were
nuts,
trying
isn't
to
it?
get it over, I think, so.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're getting there.
We're getting there, 25, that'll do for now.
Yeah, handles on it makes it a little bit easier, but
Yeah.
yeah, that's good. And the ball kind of opposes you, so whatever force you put into it, there's a resistance back. So it doesn't really matter too much about the size of the ball, it matters about your exertion.
Yeah,
so
that's right. You can go lighter and then try and be even more explosive. So yeah, we just didn't want to actually throw the ball through the roof. So a bit heavier to make sure we don't hit the roof and knock out our man Darcy who's working away.
Yep.
But yeah, that's the thing. You can go lighter, even with the bench press, you can go lighter and focus more on that explosive movement as well, and then combine that with the plyo, or you can go a bit heavier and do less reps and then go into the explosive movement. So yeah, always chop and change, see what you find works better for you. But yeah, it's good to balance it out. Last set, Ninja. Here we go. One more.
We got
Let's
go. Good, Jace. Good, mate.
4 of these.
Good, Jace.
Come on,
hit the roof, hit the roof.
I'm trying to hit him.
That's it.
One more.
Good, mate. Well done.
Come on, Ninja. Finish off. Last set.
One more.
Good. Up. Yes. Here we go. 4 to finish.
Ah, man.
Fatigue's kicking in. Go on, Ninja.
Love it.
Up. Good. And rest.
Done.
Good stuff. All right. There it is, guys. Bit of a contrast upper body training session for you. So yeah, combining a bench press with a plyometric push-up, pull-up with a weighted underhand throw. Give it a go if you've got access to this equipment, or if you've got a lighter ball, yeah, just throw a basketball, use whatever it is. But yeah, get it done, guys. Let's go. See you next time.
Done.